I'm home. You here? Huh. You are not here. Very interesting. Wonder where they are. I hope they're alright. Storming like hell out there. Where the hell have you been? I was worried sick about you. Well, why the hell didn't you let me know, dummy? You still haven't answered my question. And another thing, why in the hell don't you have an umbrella? No, it's not fine. You could get sick, you idiot. Now look, you're all soaking wet. Go get changed. And go sit on the sofa. I'll put your clothes in the wash for you. And I'll make you some hot chocolate too. I don't want you getting sick. Don't argue with me. Just go do it, dummy. Thank you. Hey, would you like a muffin to go with your hot chocolate? Well, yes. Of course I got them from your favorite shop. Jeez, I'm not dumb like you are. Now get a move on. Yes, I am. Now go sit on the sofa and get comfortable. You comfortable? Okay. Here's your muffin and hot chocolate. You're welcome. Now move your butt over so I can sit down with you. You heard me. Move up, dummy. Here, I also grabbed a blanket from my room. Now snuggle into me and get comfortable. Like I said before, I don't want you getting sick because you'll get me sick because you're stupid and walked outside without an umbrella. Are you comfortable? Good. Are you enjoying the muffin and hot chocolate? I'm glad. I made the hot chocolate your favorite way. So you want to do something? Watch some TV? Netflix? Maybe play a video game? No. You want to talk? What the hell do we have to talk about? I mean, sure, we can talk. Do you realize we talk every day, right? We're roommates. And best friends. What? No, I don't like you. I love you, you idiot. What gave you that stupid idea? I'm jealous? I'm jealous of what? I'm not jealous when you go out on dates. I could care less if you're dating. So what? Who cares if I like to meet the person you're dating before you go out with them? You do realize you can't be too careful. There's some freaks out there. Jeez. Especially on those dating apps of yours. So, I still don't see what makes me so jealous. I'm not jealous of them. No, I'm not. I'm not jealous of them. They're just dating the perfect person in the world. My perfect person. What's that? What? Sorry, I got lost in thought. So, I still don't see why you think I'm jealous. It doesn't make any sense. Why would you think I'm jealous, dummy? Because you go out on dates and I don't? You know I'm not a people person. I don't go around large groups of people. No, no. See, that one time at that one party was because you drugged me to it, and what did I do? I brought my book and I sat in the corner and read the whole time. Yeah, I know. I had to bring your drunk butt home and nurse your butt back to health because you drank too much. Jeez. The things you go through for the people you... Oh. What? I wasn't about to say anything. I think you misheard that. I was coughing. See, you already got me sick because you're stupid and went out in the rain without protection. No, I wasn't. I was not about to say I love you. I think you're being a touch delusional, friend. Mm-hmm. Well, we'll have to agree to disagree. Mm-mm. No. Just finish your hot chocolate and muffin. We're gonna watch some Netflix. The new season of Umbrella Academy is on, and I'd like to watch it. Mm-hmm. So snuggle and close. I don't mind. What? I didn't say nothing. Mm-hmm. Alright. Now that everything is good and comfy, let's watch some TV.